As a homeowner, your home should be the place that after a long day's work, or in today's world, that's probably where you work at most of the time, it should be a place you feel comfortable and you enjoy. But unfortunately, after working with hundreds of homeowners in Houston, that's not the case many times. Here's why. We get calls all the time on these four main problems. The first one is privacy. Many times throughout the day, homeowners want to have their blinds, their curtains, their drapes open, but a lot of times they don't do that because they get worried that people driving by in front of their house or walking by on the sidewalk are going to be able to see inside, and no one wants to be able to have somebody clearly see inside their home and see the valuables in their home. Another issue we get called for is too much sunlight that causes glare on TV screens, or if you have an office, on your office screen. So many times throughout the day, your house probably gets hit with certain angles and there's so much sunlight that you can't even see the TV in your bedroom or in your living room, which makes it just really hard to enjoy and sit down and enjoy your TV. Another issue we get called about is the room just simply gets too hot. So many times, especially here in the summertime in Houston, it's daylight all the way up until 8:30, almost 9 o'clock at night. And so throughout the entire afternoon, as that sun is coming through your windows, it warms up that room so much that even with your AC on, it just seems like it can never catch up. And so many times homeowners reach out to us because their rooms just get so hot, even with the AC being on throughout the entire day. And another common issue we get called for a lot is UV rays damaging their paintings or furniture or floors. So many times as that sunlight is coming through your windows, even if you have double pane windows, which nowadays new homes have double pane windows, they're still not effective at blocking those harmful UV rays that damage, discolor, fade, crack leather couches, and it really wears and tears down your floors and your furniture over time with something as simple as just the sunlight hitting them throughout the entire day. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna quickly show you how we can help solve those problems with window film. When it comes to adding privacy to your home, we always go with a dual reflective film. Now, what is that? It's a film that allows you to be able to see through the windows from the inside, but on the outside, it adds a slight reflective shine to it that makes it very, very hard to see through the window. So anybody that's passing in front of your house, driving by, dropping off mail, they're not gonna be able to see through your windows, even though the window is completely open, there's no curtains, no blinds in the way, you're still gonna be able to enjoy a view out your window, but know that nobody's gonna be able to see in through your window during the daytime. When it comes to heat rejection, here at Dark Shade Window Tint, we carry only ceramic and high performance reflective films. So what that means is all the films that we carry, they're meant to reduce many times at least 40% of heat or more. A lot of standard films don't even get near 40% of heat. So just to say that that's our bare minimum, it means a lot here for us at Dark Shade Window Tint. So we're gonna show you real quick with a heat meter and a demonstration of what it looks like compared to a standard film to a ceramic film. So right now the BTU meter is measuring around 320. It's about 80 degrees outside. And this is just a standard film that many companies carry that claim they block a lot of heat. So this is the darkest film you could possibly install, and this is how much heat it blocks. It goes from around 325, 330 to only 290. And right now we're gonna show you what a high performance ceramic film can do for your home instead of a standard regular tint. So right now we're gonna test one of our ceramic films that we carry here at Dark Shade Window Tint. So as you can see, it's around 320, 330, just like we tested on the previous film, and look what it drops it down to. See? Unlike the darkest film you could possibly install, when you compare a standard film to a high performance ceramic film, there's a big difference when it comes to heat rejection. When it comes to glare reduction, we carry films that are definitely gonna help cut down that sunlight that's getting through those windows, so it no longer makes it hard for you to see on the TV screen, or just in general enjoy that room without having that sunlight in your face. When it comes to the films that we would install for glare reduction, we recommend either a 20%, 15% or a 5% film shade, that's gonna be a good enough shade and a good enough dark shade to block that sunlight coming through, because anything above 20% in shade, many times it's not gonna be enough to really feel a big enough difference where it feels like it was worth installing that specific window film on your windows. And when it comes to the final issue, UV rays. Many times it's a thing that you do not see until it's too late. We get calls from homeowners that bought their home 2 or 3 years ago, and now their hardwood floors are fading. There's certain sections that now are lighter than others. Their couch, the top of the couch, where the sun hits, it starts to discolor that part. So you got the bottom half of the couch darker, the top half is lighter. There's many issues that we run into, all because of something as simple as the sun coming through your windows and hitting your floors, paintings, drapes, furniture. And so a lot of times if you use any film that's a ceramic film or a high performance dual reflective film here at Dark Shade Window Tint, is gonna eliminate 99% of all those harmful UV rays. So it doesn't matter if you get a clear film or if you get a very dark film, that does not change the difference when it comes to protecting yourself from your furniture, your floors, your drapes being damaged with UV rays. And we're quickly gonna show you a clear film. We're gonna put it in we have a tool here that we're gonna show you how much UV rays it actually blocks, just so you can see how much it's actually gonna remove when it comes to the UV rays coming through your windows. So this right here is one of the clearest films that you could possibly install on any home window. It's a 70% ceramic window film, and we're gonna show you how much UV rays it actually blocks with our tool right here. So when you put the film here, you see where it says UVR, it's blocking nearly 99% of those harmful UV rays. And as you can see to the left side, VLT, it's around a 70% shade. So this film, once you install this film, it's virtually clear. You cannot even see it on any window that you install it on, and even though it's clear, it's still gonna block almost all the UV rays that are now getting through your windows, causing damage to your home's valuables. So after watching this video, if you're a homeowner that has those 4 problems that we just discussed, I'm 100% certain that window film will definitely help eliminate those problems. And ultimately, here at Dark Shade Window Tint, we just wanna enhance and make your home living experience a little bit better than it once was before. We want you to enjoy your home and feel more comfortable in your home, and we know we could definitely do that through the power of installing window film on your home windows. So if you're interested in getting more information about window film, or you'd like to schedule a free estimate that also includes free window film samples, below this video there's gonna be a link that once you click on it, is gonna go over to our website, and you fill out a short form, and one of our trained representatives will reach out to you, help answer any questions you may have about your specific project. And of course, if you'd like to schedule a date and time that best fits your schedule, a representative can go out there, take a look at your windows, show you the free samples, and ultimately just help answer any questions you may have about your specific window tinting project. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you on the next one.